Greater black-backed and herring gulls breed on Appledore Island off the New England coast. Here the gulls court, mate, nest, and fledge young, all in 3 short months. But these two species are both predators, eating anything they can catch, kill, and tear apart, including other gulls. How can thousands of birds, each a potential predator on the eggs and chicks of their neighbors, coexist on a 95-acre island? The answer? These birds have evolved a complex system of social signals that keeps violence to a minimum. The gulls use these signals to carve out and hold small territories